Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Strategy. I just landed in Japan yesterday, and today is April 21st, 2026. And guess what? Dyson just announced and dropped a brand new Dyson Supersonic Travel, which is a travel version of the super popular Dyson hair dryer. And it's supposedly 32% lighter. I'm sorry, 32% smaller and 25% lighter. And naturally, I just had to go to big camera and bought one. So in this video, we're gonna unbox it and see what we get for this Dyson Supersonic Travel. The box feels really small and super light. Now let's cut it up. And upon opening it, you of course see the hair dryer just prominently displayed there. And then I think this one is going to be one of the attachment heads. And let's see if it's, yep, it's the attachment head. And it looks like you just get one in this box, and that's probably all you're going to get. Now let's see what else we get. All right, yep, it does feel pretty light, but let's see what else though. No more attachment heads. Like that's going to be the power adapter or the cord, and that's it. That looks like that's all you're going to get in this box. Looks like there's a quick start guide, a warning brochure, and some ads of Dyson products. And yeah, that's all you get really in the box. Feels really small and light. So let's take a closer look at what it says. There's an app. It's a Dyson app. There's how to use it in the app, and also you can take out the filter and wash it, dry it, and put it back. That's all. That's all in the box. So really in the box, you get just the hair dryer and one attachment. Pretty standard. Again, it's magnetic, just like any other Dyson hair dryer products. So really the highlight of this product, besides the size and the weight, is the universal plug, which should work everywhere. Yes, it's just a US standard, like that, 2 prongs. And it says here that it is 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz. So it should work everywhere, that as long as you can plug this in to the outlet, if it fits, it should work. Dyson say this one is 32% smaller and 25% lighter than the original Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, and you can feel it. It is smaller, as you can see, compared to my hand, much smaller. It feels really comfortable to use, and it's much lighter. You can definitely feel that, like it's just so much lighter than the normal one. Unfortunately, I don't have the Supersonic one to compare side by side, but you can tell it's much smaller. And on here it says Dyson Travel 100 volt to 240 volt, which means that as long as the plug fits the outlet, it will work anywhere in the world. And in the back, you have this kind of translucent, transparent plastic, kind of like the Dyson Supersonic Neural. But this one doesn't have the sensor where it adjusts the heat automatically. This one just stays. The heat just stays whatever the level you pick it, just like the original Dyson Supersonic. So let's turn it on by just sliding this up to turn on, down to turn off. And you can adjust the fan level, 2 levels. One is the low and one is high. It only goes up to 2, not 3 like the other hair dryer. And it's just powerful enough. Might not be as powerful as level 3 on the Supersonic, but definitely enough to use day to day, or at least when you travel. And then also you can adjust the heat level, 3 levels. Right now, no dots means it's cool air. 1 is warm, and then max heat is hot. And just like any other Dyson hair dryer, this side is the magnetic attachment where you can attach any Dyson attachment to it by just doing that. Just take it off, just pull it out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to wash my hair and then try to use it for the first time to see how well it works. Let's go. I'll say though, I usually don't use the attachment head, so I'm going to take it out just how I normally do it. Using it with the attachment head, it felt like it wasn't super powerful, but I think that was how it was designed. Using it without the attachment head, however, feels like it's almost as powerful, but not quite as powerful as the normal Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. So what do I think about this Dyson Supersonic Travel? I think it's a really good hair dryer. It's pretty small. It's pretty lightweight. There are definitely other travel hair dryer that's lighter than this and smaller than this, but this is a Dyson. Very high quality. I like the looks. It works for anywhere, 100 volt to 240. So as long as this fits, you may need an adapter if you travel to Europe. It will work, and it's not quite as powerful as the big full-blown hair dryer, the Supersonic and Supersonic Neural, but it's powerful enough, especially for a travel one. And this is now on sale in the US for $299 plus tax, or $300 plus tax. So I'll put an Amazon associate link down below if it's available on Amazon, and I'll also put the link to Dyson website on there as well. If you click on the Amazon one and purchase through it, you help support this channel and make a little small commission. But yep, that's it. The Dyson Supersonic Travel. Thanks for watching.